Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, that's right, got another knife review for you. This one may look a little familiar for those of you who are familiar with my PMP Prep Box series. So stay tuned, right after we roll that intro, and you'll go see what was in there. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. As you saw, obviously by the thumbnail you clicked on and the intro that just rolled, we're going to take a look today at the CRKT Pazoda. Now, for those really cool kids who haven't subscribed to me yet, man guys, you're going to see a little symbol hovering right down here. That's going to be the channel watermark. Go ahead, hover over that thing and just nail that subscribe button for me. Now, as I made mention in that opening, we got this guy in the October 2018 PMP Prep Box. Now, if you want to see what else came in there or any of the other great goodness that we've gotten from the PMP Prep Box, up here, there's going to be a link to every single review I've done for him. If you want to check those out, that's cool, but make sure you come right back here. Now, here is the blade. It is very simplistic in its design, and like I said, I think in that PMP Prep Box video, this one really reminds me of a 511 Tactical Alpha. Now, I've done a review on that, and I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm going to upload that Alpha before this guy, but if I do, you'll be seeing a card right up there. If not, you're just seeing a finger point for no apparent reason. Alright, let's go get into the fun of this guy. Now, to my surprise, when I went looking on CRKT's website to do the homework on this like I usually do, this blade has been discontinued by CRKT. You can find them out there, but once they're gone, they're gone. Alright, now, for the stats and all the other fun parts, it's got an overall length of 7.31 inches, closed it's 4.84, and the blade itself is 3.08 ounces. Now, it's got an okay weight to it of about 3.8 ounces. And of course, I forgot to bring the scale down here for this video. But that's okay. We'll rectify that for future videos. Now, it is a flat grind, plain edge, and they call it a clip point. But seriously, that looks a little bit more drop point to me than it does clip. But that's me. I'm not really going to argue with CRKT that much. Now, the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV with a 5859 Rockwell rating. I know, guys. It's a budget blade with a budget steel. It'll take an edge and hold an edge for a while, and that's pretty much all you can ask of a blade, right? Now, it does have a stainless steel frame. It does have the frame lock, as you can see right there. Now, the frame has a gray titanium nitride coating that has, I should say, accent coat, and it's got a brushed finish. Hopefully you can see that. Not so much on the back side, but on that front side, you should be able to see it okay. Alright, it is only one-way carry, tip down, right-hand carry. Can't reverse that clip at all. It does have basically the dual thumb hole. I do like the little bit of jimping that's up here on the front to, make it a little bit easier. And it does have that little lanyard hole down there. Now, for those of you who are wondering, it is made in China. Now, for the fun part that we all love about these videos. Some paper cutting. Not bad, seriously. Right out of the blister pack. Okay, paracord. Pull test. A little bit of resistance, but that's okay. Now slice test. Not bad. Just burn right through that. And as we've been doing recently, ratchet strap. Not bad. Okay, as we usually do, we took a look on CRKT's website, Amazon, and Blade HQ. I think between those three, you're going to get a good feel of like a cost and, what people think of it wise. Now on Amazon, it's going to run you $18.57. CRKT has this model, which they classify as the large, as $34.99, and Blade HQ has it for $13.99. Now on Blade HQ and CRKT, it doesn't have a single review. And you can tell it's an older model CRKT. Look at the way the CRKT is right there. On the newer ones, that would be right by an updated CRKT logo. So that might be a reason why it's been discontinued. It is an older blade. And on Amazon, it's got a rating of 4.2 stars out of 5 with only 7 reviews. But you know what, guys? That's okay. I want to know what all of you think. You're the most important ones to me. All of you. I want to know what you think, man. Questions, comments, complaints, love, hatred, whatever. Put them down below, and you know I'm going to get back with you on them. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your precious day to view this video. I know it's a weird one. Most of mine usually are, but thanks for joining the insanity. Now, for you really cool guys who haven't subscribed yet, we here on the channel believe in second chances. Right down there, in just a moment or two, you're going to see the channel logo. Go ahead and click on that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, make sure you beat the crap out of that subscribe button and its little brother next to it, hiding its lunch money, the bell icon. Now, the reason why I say beat up that bell icon is it's going to let you know every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here, over here. Those videos are going to be ones that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the CRKT Pazoda. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.